Hello and welcome. Ray Chrisman here from RL Chrisman Metalworks. Well, as you can see, I got the DRO completely installed on the RF-31 mill drill. In the last video, I had just finished installing the X-axis scale. I went ahead and installed the Y-axis scale and the readout itself on the machine. I didn't video the installation of the Y-axis scale, but I did take some still photos of the progress. I will edit those into this video so you can see how I went about doing that, and then we'll look at the DRO real quick. Here's a quick view of the X-axis scale mounted on the back here. Down at the bottom there you can see the read head with the cable coming off of it that's going up to the display itself. Down over here, and the light's not very good, it's kind of in the dark. There's the Y-axis scale. There's a little bit better shot of the Y-axis scale in the read head. Let me get in here a little closer. You can see the mounting bracket down there for the read head. And over here on the back, this isn't a part that came in the kit for this, but this piece right here I went ahead and machined. I had some scrap aluminum around. I could have used a couple of the pieces, the flat brackets that came in the kit, and bolted them on there, but it would have been two separate pieces, and I wanted one continuous piece to go all the way across there. And I had that piece of aluminum, so I went ahead and machined it down, got all the surfaces good on it, bolted it on there, and then I had a good solid surface for the mounting rail for the scale. But anyway, both scales are on the machine. Top view here. X-axis scale. Y-axis scale. The actual readout itself is bolted. The mounting bracket is bolted right onto the side of the machine right there with 2 bolts. And this bracket pivots back and forth. The display will pivot. I've got the bolts tightened up on it, but the display will pivot back and forth. And as you can see, it does work. There's the Y-axis. Here is the X-axis. Then if you want a 0 at any point, we'll 0 the X-axis, hit 0. And button right there, it zeroes that axis out. Push Y, hit the CLS button. It zeroes out that axis. So you can 0 at any point and start readings from there. This also has a switch to change back and forth from metric to inches. Right here. And to be quite honest with you, I haven't checked yet to see which is which. But you can switch back and forth. As you can tell from the wires that are everywhere, I still need to route my wires and tie them up with some wire ties. There are some clips that came in the kit to mount on the machine to route the wires with also. But the RF-31 is all completely together. The machine itself was put together and installed on the stand. The power feed is installed and working. The X and Y axis scales are installed. The readout itself is installed and working. So the RF-31 mill drill is complete. There is another bracket that I haven't put on there yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to. I believe it's a collet holder, but anyway, there it is. The DRO is installed on the RF-31 mill drill. Now I got to get to working on the lathe. Got to get the DRO put on there. Anyway, thanks for joining me here today at R.L. Chrisman Metalworks. You have a good day. Happy machining.